So the instructions are on number 3. Disconnect from the trigger. Connect to the quick fit shade can well. That's what I'm doing. Connect gauge to trigger assembly, which is what I'm getting ready to do. Now the gauge is connected to trigger assembly. I'm going to start charge. The goal is to get it between 25 and 50. So here goes. Release trigger every 15 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Shake can, 24 PSI. Shake can, 23 PSI. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 26. And the goal is to get between 25 and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 27 is actually moving up. Now we're moving. We're at 30 PSI. Gotta keep going. This is an 18 ounce can. The thing is a 2-pound system. So I may have to get another one, but let's keep going. So, now 37. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we're at 39. Moving. 41. Moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Still at 41. Check it. My gauge in here to see if it moves the pole. It's actually dropping. The ambient temperature inside is 17. Now we're at 43. Remember, the happy spot is between 25 and 50. And once this can is empty, I think I'll just leave it between that range because I don't want to go past 50. So there we go. So quick math. I started at 22, 23, and I had 18 ounces. So 23 plus 18, did 53. Yeah, 23 plus 18 is actually 45. So 45 is where this can will get me. So I have 2 more pounds to go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, don't do math in public. 44, 43, 44. So that's a happy medium. Go ahead and shut it off. But that's how you recharge your AC system on the Navigator. Once again, your connection is back here behind this mount for the starter relay. Remove one bolt here, one bolt here. Actually, it's the 1/16 smaller one. Remove the cap. Connect your hose. Pretty much just follow the directions. It's pretty easy to get to a charge. So now I'm at 44 PSI, 43, which is pretty good because 50 is the max. So anywhere between 25 and 50 is a good read.